Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I have already prepped my nails. They are super thin because of the design I want to do, so let's get into it. I'm going to take a primer. Just like to add this to the new growth. I don't have too much new growth on these guys, and then I just add whatever's left. We know the drill by now. Okay, get most of it off the brush, touch down, come around, get most of it off, push back to the cuticle, come around, doing the same thing, touch down, push back to the cuticle, come down, I am going to take pink one step. I am just going to do a super kind of, I don't want to say like super thin. It's going to be a generously thin layer. I might come back in with just a little bit more. Just a little bit on the back end because that's where the new growth is. And then giving that a second to level out before we go into the lamp. Alright, I'm using Tailgater, which is this stunning buttercream. It's funny, so one of my subscribers said she was about to put this on her nails, and I was like, immediately, I need to do that because I forgot how amazing this color was. And then I pulled it out and I was like, okay, I need this. So buttercreams are usually an on top method. Obviously my nails are not built out to be on top, so I will be slightly encapsulating this. So what I want to do is kind of add a milky white on top. In theory, it could be completely different by the time you see this if I'm at the end of my video and I hate it. So that was my plan from the beginning. And we will see what ends up taking place. Just coming up, pushing back to my cuticles. I know, sorry, it's not facing you. Just was such a bright color. I, as the artist slash person going to be wearing these, I want to make sure that it looks okay. Really looks okay.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations they keep
pink coat.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
I'm taking Marshmallow, which is a milky white. If you don't have a milky white, just take some clear and some white and it will become milky. So I am going to do a slip layer. So this is a builder gel. So this is a little bit different than the buttercream that we just used. So this is not something that normally goes on top. So this is usually a embedded color. Well, I guess this is white in this instance, but normally it is embedded. So this is not giving you any strength. So what I'm going to do is kind of start in the back third, but I'm not really concentrating the product there. I'm more kind of just dragging it down. If you notice, I'm kind of leaving a tiny border. Nothing too crazy, because the good thing about this type of gel is that it is going to self-level. Just grabbed a little bit more. Working my way down, and since we had that slip layer, it is going to go to all of those places. Okay. Now I'm going to flip it back over, and this is going to help the gel go back to the center, because that is where we really want it to be. So it went back to the center, and I'm gonna cure. Now this one actually is structured pretty well, but do not worry about structure when doing this part, because what you're gonna find is you can do a clear top on top of this. This is about getting that design. Coming in with that first coat, which is our slip layer. Okay, I'm tilting my finger forward for this one, doing a different angle for you. And I was just moving a bubble out of there, so that's why you saw me kind of spin it around a lot. And I'm just kind of inching it down, just helping the gel a little bit. Make it all the way down. Okay, gonna flip it upside down. All right. Here we go. I'm not gonna lie, it has been quite a long time since I've used a color gel, and I forgot how much I liked it. I'm normally doing stuff on top because actually it's easier for me to create content with that, because I can essentially just take off the top layer and then I can, you know, continue on with the next nail art that I'm doing. Trying to pop that bubble, so kind of just ruined this kind of flow, but it's okay. So you can see we're bulging on that side and that side. We're gonna flip it upside down. All right, so you can see we got that area. So I'm going to let it kind of fade back out. And there might be a little bit too much gel on that, but we can file that.
Expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down.
Take off that tacky layer. And really the only one that I got a little bit too much on is that guy. Oh no, this guy. But not a lot. So just taking the softer side of my nail file, taking super shiny. So I went ahead and filed and buffed my nails, and if there were any spots that were missing, what I went ahead and did was take a small striping brush of that tailgater color, and I just went ahead and added it to the spots that were missing. Or I perfected that cuticle line. Just use your best judgment and how you want it to look.
I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to...
Here is the finished look. I love it so much. This is super popular right now. Perfect for the summertime. I just think it gives a little bit of extra something. So currently rocking these two. I think I'm just gonna do the tailgater on that side. Maybe I'll do like a marble or something, but obsessed. So thank you guys so much for watching, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.